gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to follow me around, social media links are below, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more of my videos. So today I'm going to swatch these lipsticks, like these 5 lipsticks from NudeByNature. So this is just a Australian company. Let's begin. I'm going to just wipe it off. Okay, literally I love to wear these liquid lipsticks with a lip liner, but today I'm going to just swatch oh my god, swatch this like on my hand and also on the lips, just like this. And like this is how this looks, and like it's really pretty. The name of the product is written here, and like it's NudeByNature. It's gold hard plastic bottle, I think, and it's a full-size product, and the website details and everything I'm going to list it below in the description box. So let's swatch first on my hand. It's pretty, I like it. So let's swatch here. Okay, so this is how it looks, like really pretty. I like the shade, and the color looks literally so pretty. I literally love the color. The consistency is really thick and it's so easy to apply. It glides on really well. This is really pretty everyday soft color. Okay, the second shade I'm going to apply is this one, and this one is in shade SUNKISSED. This is so pretty. This is how it looks, really pretty. I like it. Okay, this is how this color looks, and like literally it is so spring summer type of color. I will literally wear this in springtime because like I'm that kind of person who likes to wear light shades of lipsticks, and especially I apply gloss whenever I go out, and these NudeByNature liquid lipsticks are literally so pretty, like my type of colors. I really like it, and like it's satin, so it's really easy to remove. So as you can see, this one is a bit darker so than my lips because I have applied this area. So like this is the exact color, bit dark. And this bottle contains 3.75 ml of products inside, which is a lot. And like this bottle is big, and like the price and everything is on their website. Okay, the next one I'm trying is Auto Blush, and literally looks the same, like packaging wise everything is the same, and it contains same amount of product, 3.75 ml 3.75 ml of products inside. And the applicator brush is really pretty. Just look at it, like it's really cool. Literally love the consistency of the product. So this color is literally so pretty. I love it. Like literally it's that blush color which we love. Like I like it so much, this pinkish neutral blushy kind of color. I don't know how to explain, but like it's so much my type of color. Like you guys can see at the background, I literally did a bit of setup at the background but like literally it's not completed. I always tell you guys in my videos that it's not completed, like literally it's not completed. So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys once it's completed. I have to add bit of stuffs here and there, so that's why. Like I literally love this shade. It's so pretty, so spring summer kind of color, and like neutral blush. I don't know how to explain, but like it's really pretty. This is stunning with a lip liner. The last one I'm going to apply with a lip liner, and let's see. So this one is exactly same as the other three I've swatched, and like this one is in color 03 Natural, like this. It's like this very pretty nude mauve shade. I really love it. Okay, this color is literally stunning, and I have noticed last time I have applied this color, like I think day before yesterday, I think. And like literally when I came back home, like I have realized that it's a bit dark. So yeah, when it dries, this all these shades are a bit dark, and like it is so pretty that time. Like it's so pretty. I love it so much. If you guys haven't tried these liquid lipsticks, do try. Like you will definitely love it. And like it's very simple kind of lipsticks which goes well with all the makeup looks, and like you can mix and match. And like I literally love this one. As you can see, this one is getting a bit darker, like little bit darker, not too much, but like I literally love it. Okay, the last one is Orchid, and like it's literally a fall kind of color, I think it is. I'm going to just try with the lip liner. Okay, literally I'm redoing this clip, like my camera wasn't on. So this is the Orchid shade, and this is how it looks. I literally like it. Like it's getting a bit darker, like it's not that dark, but like it's a little bit darker when it dries. And like literally so pretty. I really like it. It goes so well with my eye makeup. And yeah, if you guys want to see a tutorial on this eye makeup, then it's coming up. And yeah, if you all want to see more of these types of videos where I swatch and review products, and also makeup tutorials, and I am thinking of posting lots of makeup tutorials for you all. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you want to check these lipsticks out, the website details are below in the description box. And I'm going to end the video here, and you guys stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.